If you have pain on the outside of your elbow, how do you know if it's tendonitis or a radial head subluxation? In this video, I'm going to tell you. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years. I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience. My experience is this, that if a person comes in and has pain anywhere along here, they all call it tennis elbow. But that does not necessarily mean that it really is tennis elbow. There's a lot of other diagnoses that it could be. Now, tennis elbow classically is pain on a tendon, so if you have pain while you're stretching or using that muscular tendinous junction, very often that's what tennis elbow really is. So, if I put my arm out like this, straighten my elbow, put my hand down, and then try to use some type of pressure to push up against it by pushing up in this direction like you're lifting a weight, if that causes your pain, then it's likely tennis elbow. Also, a good little trick is to take a pen and put it between your middle finger like this, let your elbow get straight, and then try to push that middle finger up against the pen. If that causes pain, that's tennis elbow. But if you bend the elbow 90 degrees and you rotate back and forth like this, and that causes pain, that is not tennis elbow. That is a radial head subluxation. Now, on rare cases, I actually have to use some pressure and ask the patient to go against my resistance, either in one direction or the other direction. This is called supination. This is called pronation. That's how you know the difference between a radial head subluxation and tennis elbow. The pain is in the same area, but very often the diagnoses are totally different. This explains why sometimes a patient will have pain here and they'll do some exercise or something that they saw on YouTube for tennis elbow. It does not improve. And the reason why? Wrong diagnosis. So if you thought this video was interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. And share this on social media, because I'll bet you there's a lot of people out there that think they have tennis elbow and they don't. They have radial head subluxations. Put it on Facebook, put it on Twitter, put it on Instagram. It really would help me out. Lastly, I do have a Patreon account. There's a link down below. If you'd be so kind as to become a Patreon, if you have a question, you can ask a question. I'll make a video just for you.